All right, round 3 on the 18th day of October, 2024. Kind of walking around up here in Lone Lake, enjoying the colors, fall colors here. Comes out in 2025. 4th of July is coming up. Hopefully we get some rain. Not as much as last year. I hope we got snow, but they said it was not supposed to be a lot. So I look forward to winter. You know, it is what it is. So let's head on back to the car, shall we? You know, around here it's beautiful up here. It's gorgeous. I found this trail by accident. I saw some lady in her dog when I was over there. I was doing some crushing for Christ on the other channel from last year. It'll be on the cowport. I was looking for Sarasota Tim, right? Effing around. So, all the haters waste their time hate watching this guy. I do miss Fat Boy. Looks like you could have a little fire right over there if you wanted to. Just talking in a video. The Scenic Highway in Oregon is really, really cool. All kinds of trails. Monument Falls, whatever the hell it's called. It's in Oregon. It's a really, really cool place. So, anyways. I figured I'd do this instead of a podcast. It's Friday. Sucks that you can't, doesn't upload anymore. You gotta do it yourself, but that's the way it is. It's week 7 of the National Fix-It League. Got the Denver game along last night. I had the Lions win the Super Bowl, so we'll see if they'd won it. Oh, that's cool. Very, very cool. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the fall colors in this state. Man, how far the videos go, I think it's cool. I want to go tomorrow down by St. Paul. I've been there a couple years ago. I was there at the park. I walked around down by the Mighty Mo. It's really kind of cool. So you never know what you're gonna find down there, so it's epic as hell. So, who knows? You guys think, man, all those trees. Remember when I was in school, you used to you'd go look for leaves and you put them in a book, maples, whatever you could find. That was when I was in 4-H and also in science class. Yeah, it's fun to bike, but it's not like on my little 10-speed. You know what I saw today? I was over a recycling place over in Minneapolis, bring some steel in, and the guy, he works for a like a place that cleans apartments. It was like 20 bikes. People just throw them away. It's like, oh, I wish I had room to put them all, fix them up. I don't have that time, but it was too bad, man, to see all those bikes get tossed and thrown away. It's a shame. You want one? I go, well, no, I already got one, but it was just a shame. I hate to see it. to fix them up and give them away. It was, you know, for all ages bikes. Because what they do is when the guy they move out, they leave stuff. So the guy would come and get the bikes, and they recycle them. It's a shame, but it's like I've spoke before about lovely and talented lawnmowers and stuff. You see that kind of stuff. Paint them a certain, so do not enter. This must be people coming this way, so it's kind of good to walk against traffic. There I can see them coming. Very nice. Hate to see things that go to waste, but you know. But you'd fix the bikes up, and they want you to paint a certain color. You'll do it, like a hot pink or something. You want to paint it your favorite color of your sports team or something. You know, what the hell, right? So. Here comes a bicyclist my way right now. Perfect timing to get off the trail and come up my way. A couple of them coming my way. A little trail right here. Work our way down. Gotta enjoy the I'll walk back that way. Down to the fag cars, I call it, right? Look at those trees, my goodness. Nice. And you kind of go down here too as well. This kind of goes back into here. Gonna go back into there. I have a feeling this swings around, the whole trail does somewhere. So this kind of goes this way. I have no idea where this thing goes to. Very nice. What do you guys think, huh? Oh my goodness. Kind of a cool look, huh? But anyways, very nice. The colors of Minnesota, full regalia. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next one, all right? Hope you enjoyed the little hiking adventure.